What is the Power Platform is a fantastic question. The Power Platform sits on Microsoft Dataverse, which is the same backend data platform that products like Microsoft Dynamics 365 for customer engagement uses. And when we're talking about the Power Platform specifically, we're referring to the tools Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agents, and Power Pages. So Power Automate is an automation tool that allows you to connect all these different products and automate your processes, such as workflow approvals, time off requests, things like that. You can really automate a lot of your day-to-day business processes using Power Automate. Power Apps allows you to build specific apps that can be used on mobile devices. They can be used within Microsoft Teams or other applications. Power BI brings all of your data together in one place and allows you to run some analytics on them, give you some great visuals for your teams who may be used to working in spreadsheets, but instead want a quick snapshot of what that data in the spreadsheet is telling you. You can build out some visuals within Power BI to really simplify that down. Power Virtual Agents are chatbots that can be embedded on websites or can be used on IVR lines on phones as well. So really it's that touch point of automation of working with a virtual assistant or a virtual agent before that person gets transferred over to like a live customer service agent, for example. And then we have Power Pages, which is essentially a web page that your customers can go on and submit things like tickets or view invoices or view contracts that they currently have in place with you. So you can see there's all these different applications that are on this Power Platform tool and allows you to really automate your business and gain a further understanding of business analytics as well.